this is Ashigurung, and today I'm going to make slime. Yesterday I have my mom have just buy for me this slime. This what we say green shark tail. Wow, beautiful. This is also a slime, and you know how slime is? It's like this slime. It is called slime. And today we are going to make this slime. Let's start, friends. The ingredients in this what we are going to make this slime. We need first a ball and a spoon and some water. That little bit water you have to put, and we need this oil. You can use any oil, but I have used this almond drops oil. Okay, and some powder. I have used this powder, but you can use any one powder. And for smell, for fragrance, I'm using this what we say lemon ones. And for color we need this. I'm going to use black color. Now let's start our video. Okay, first we are going to put this color in this bowl. Okay, we have to put this color in the bowl like this. Little bit. Just put it. Okay. Wow, it's crazy. Wow, it's beautiful, beautiful, friends, beautiful. You also want to see, yeah? Wait. This is the color. And now we are going to put this fragrance, lemon fragrance. This is the lemon fragrance. You have to put 3 drops. 3 drops are okay. Okay, let's see. This much drops. Okay, I'm putting it. Now we are going to put this powder. Okay, let's put it on here. Okay. Oh my gosh. You have to mix it with a spoon. Little bit of spoon. Okay, I'm just mixing it. Now we need some flour. This is the flour, and we need spoon to put the flour. Flour on it. Flour. Okay, little bit more flour. Okay. Now we are going to mix it. Okay, we are going to mix it. Okay, it's going to done. And then we have to put some oil on it. Okay, oil. Okay, our slime is ready. You want to see our slime? This is our slime. This is our slime, beautiful slime. Hooray! This is how we make our slimes. Okay. Wow, it's very soft. Very soft. Okay, friends, if you like my video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Bye bye. See you in the next video.